Words to use instead of very.
Very accurate. Exact. Very afraid. Fearful. Very aggressive. Ferocious. Very angry. Furious. Very bad. Awful. Very big. Massive. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. Very boring. Dull. Very bright. Luminous. Very busy. Swamped. Very calm. Serene. Very careful. Cautious. Very cheap. Stingy. Very clean. Spotless. Very clear. Obvious. Very clever. Intelligent. Very cold. Freezing. Very complete. Comprehensive. Very creative. Innovative. Very crowded. Bustling. Very cute. Adorable. Very curious. Inquisitive. Very dear. Cherished. Very detailed. Meticulous. Very difficult. Arduous. Very dirty. Filthy. Very dry. Arid. Very dull. Tedious. Very eager. Keen. Very easy. Effortless. Very empty. Desolate. Very evil. Wicked. Very excited. Thrilled. Very expensive. Costly. Very fancy. Lavish. Very exciting. Exhilarating. Very fast. Swift. Very fat. Obese. Very friendly. Amiable. Very funny. Hilarious. Very glad. Overjoyed. Very good. Excellent. Very great. Profound. Very hungry. Starving. Very hurt. Battered. Very important. Crucial. Very large. Huge. Very lazy. Indolent. Very long. Extensive. Very loose. Slack. Very lively. Animated. Very lovely. Adorable. Very light. Luminous. Very happy. Ecstatic. Very mean. Cruel. Very messy. Slovenly. Very nice. Kind. Very noisy. Deafening. Very often. Frequently. Very old. Ancient. Very open. Transparent. Very pale. Ashen. Very perfect. Flawless. Very poor. Destitute. Very powerful. Compelling. Very pretty. Beautiful. Very quick. Rapid. Very quiet. hushed, very rainy, pouring, very rich, wealthy, very roomy, spacious, very sad, sorrowful, very scared, petrified, very scary, chilling, very serious, grave, very sharp, keen, very shiny, gleaming, very short, brief, very shy, timid, very simple, basic, very slow, sluggish, very smart, intelligent, very smooth, sleek, very soft, downy, very special, exceptional, very strong, forceful, very stupid, idiotic, very sure, certain, very surprised, stunned, very talented, gifted, very tall, towering, very tasty, delicious, very thirsty, parched, very tight, constricting, very tiny, minuscule, very tired, exhausted, very ugly, hideous, very upset, distraught, very warm, hot, very weak, frail, very wet, soaked, very wide, expansive, very willing, eager, very windy, blustery, very wise, sage, very worried, distressed,